Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 9, Website Tester. Earning potential, $15 to $100 an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Many brands want to know how easy their websites are to use and hire testing companies to get opinions from real people. As a website tester, you'll need to answer a set of questions as you navigate through the site, app, or digital offering. You'll convey what you think about the user experience by screenshots or a video recording, usually compiled by software provided to you. Studies start at around 5 minutes in length, with a 20-minute average, but some can span days or even weeks. Some posted opportunities require the job to be completed by having a video interview with you, getting your real-time feedback, while you carry out the tasks you're asked to perform, such as navigation, searches, and other varied tasks. If you have good knowledge of how websites work, you could be especially helpful. This is something that most companies will pay good money for, because it could mean making changes that significantly increase sales and customer retention. If you don't consider yourself tech-savvy, this can still be beneficial, as companies want to check that their software, sites and apps, suit people with minimal tech know-how and abilities, upwards, aiding in making these things user-friendly for everyone. You test a client's website or application by following scenarios that are described to you. You generate real-time feedback or compile it, send it to the testing company, who review and prepare your comments. Then they pass them on to the client. The great thing about being a website tester is, it allows everyone to enjoy better digital user experiences. You'll earn a supplemental income, which could become full-time eventually, plus discover new sites or tools, and make your opinion count. You don't need qualifications or experience to become a tester, just honesty. Answer questions truthfully and share your opinion openly during testing, and reliability. You must show up on time, and see a study through to its conclusion once you've agreed to take part. To perform this role, you'll need reliable devices to browse websites and test apps with. Video chat capability, for some tasks. And a way to be paid, usually PayPal, although TransferWise, gift cards, or direct deposits are an option on some testing services. The greater variety of devices, browsers, and operating systems you have available, and characteristics you satisfy in your profile, e.g., what is commonly looked for, the more studies you're likely to qualify for, and the more you'll earn overall. Register for jobs on Perpection, Test.io, Trimata, Respondent, User Testing, User Feel, User Interviews, Userlytics, and Validately. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy. Subscribe so you don't miss out.